Everyone, welcome to the lecture summary video for lecture 4 of the workshop. So in this lecture, we discussed four things. First thing was that I introduced two AI models. Then we did some hands-on for these models for English language and also for Indian languages like Hindi and Kannada and Gujarati. First we did with the Whisper model and then second with the Wav2Vec2 model. And then we discussed the assignment. So first thing we did was we understood what is Whisper and what is Wav2Vec, right? And we discussed what are the advantage and disadvantage. And then also I showed you where you can, if you want to read more about them, where you can read from. So both are OpenAI model, which is very popular for your ASR task, and with Wav2Vec is more common for low resource languages, right? So again, both have some advantage and disadvantage. So in the lecture we discussed all this, and then we went to the collab to do our practical. So we started with the section 2 of this work of this coding, where we discussed ASR modeling using Whisper and Wav2Vec2. So we continued in the same collab, and first you have to create a new section by going to plus text and then creating a new section. Then I have shared this code in the WhatsApp line by line. You can just copy paste and run one by one. Before running them, you make sure that you upload all your files here, 3 files which are also available in the WhatsApp. So first thing is installation of the libraries for Whisper. So first we started with Whisper, we installed the libraries. Then we imported the model. Like there are different options which you can try on your own, but we went with the base model. And then we first did ASR for a English wave file, and we got the result. This is the wave file. This is the ASR output. I have a dream, something. And then we tried for Hindi wave file, and we saw that it gave something like this in Urdu. Then what did we do? We mentioned that which language we wanted. We experimented here with Hindi and English, and we see that we got a translation rather than a transcription in the Whisper. Then when I went for Hindi, I am getting something in the Hindi also, right? So we tried different experiment, and all these codes are available in the WhatsApp. If you miss the lecture, you can check the WhatsApp chat, and you can also follow parallelly. Then we went for Kannada, and then we got some output. So finally we did all this with the Whisper, and second thing was Wav2Vec. So Wav2Vec, we again installed the libraries, and then we use this Wav2Vec base model, and we tried translating the English wave file first, and then we went for the Kannada, right? And then we again went for AI for Bharat, which is the Indian version of Wav2Vec model. And here some challenge was we were facing, that it was asking for authentication. So in the chat again I shared how you can create your own token. So I will just show it in the video. If I go to the chat here, right? So I shared this. So I'll just go to this step. So first step is you have to go to huggingface.com, sign up, and then setting and new token. So what you can do here, you can go to sorry. Where can I create a new? Okay, I can create a new tab, and then I will write here Hugging Face, right? So if you go here setting token, it will ask for your password, and then confirm, right? So you have to go here, and once you log in, it will come here. So you have to go to setting, and then you have to go to tokens, the access tokens, and then you can create your new token, and whatever token you will get, you copy that, and then you come to collab, you press this key and you paste this token, give it a name and paste this token. So once you have the token, you can easily access all these all these repos, and once you run successfully you will get the output for Wav2Vec. So I showed you for Hindi. You can try doing it for other languages like Kannada and Gujarati, and then we will discuss this in the next class. Then coming about your assignment, we discussed couple of assignment. First assignment was for your own wave file, you have to use both Whisper and Wav2Vec, and you have to do the comparison. Which one is giving you a better. And then what you can do, you can record a mixed language, like two languages at least, English Hindi or Gujarati English, and you also try doing the transcription using both Whisper and Wav2Vec. Right? So this was overall summary of the lecture. All the codes, everything you can find here, right? So you just have to follow the video and you have to follow the code from, we started from here, right? We started somewhere here. Yeah, like we started here, right? We started from here. So once I uploaded the wave file, so from here you can follow line by line. All the codes are present. You have to just copy and paste it there. So that's all from this lecture 4. Let's meet in the next lecture and discuss the way forward. Okay, thank you.